Okay, so guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not. Hopefully you can. Today is June the 24th. Yesterday, which was the 23rd, I went ahead and did my lashes. Definitely doing a story time on that, y'all. So messed up. And yesterday I also went ahead and did my nails. So yeah. Don't come for me all saying that every time my birthday comes around, like this is probably what I do with my nails. Like I explained 1,000 kajillion times, my work does not facilitate bodies like me, okay? So I just got to do my part, play by the rules until, you know, I get my money up and can be my own boss.
Period.
But yeah, even these nails is not allowed. Well, the nails is just a little rhinestones on there are not allowed. But I'm on vacation now for a few days, so once I go back to work, I'll just remove them. Please forgive me for not recording my other pampering, like getting my lash done and my nails, because honestly, y'all, I was not planning to do anything. Me doing this right now, I'm not going to put that in the universe, but let me just say, me doing this right now is a last minute thing. Yeah, as in I've had this idea for a while, but I am going to put it into play now at the very last minute, because today is the 24th. Yeah, like I said before, today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. Sunday in Jamaica is just a worship day slash a relax day. Nothing happens. Most places they're closed, so nothing really happens on a Sunday. So Sunday's out for me until Monday. Because I did this spontaneously, like Monday in the morning I have a wig appointment, and at 9:45 a.m. hopefully, it's my first time going to this hairstylist, so hopefully everything goes on time, everything runs smoothly for my photo shoot that is going to be at 12. So yeah, if you never catch that, I have a hair appointment at 9:45 a.m. I'm going to put a wig on. Then I have my photo shoot at 12 midday. So yeah, this is what we are working with. And like I said, guys, I want to apologize in advance because I honestly wasn't planning on doing this stuff. Like, if you know me, you know that I'm this procrastination, so I wasn't planning on doing any of this. I finally decided to. So yeah, I turned my camera on because I have respect for y'all and I love y'all. So I'm taking you guys on the journey with me. Starting now, I am going to make the dress that I'm going to wear for my photo shoot. Now, for a while, I've seen this thing, and like I said, I had it in some drafts, in the back of my mind on my phone, in my Pinterest as well, to do this, but I just didn't do it. But I'm gonna do it now. I am going to be making a Polaroid dress. Yeah, hopefully all goes well. Like I said, guys, right now you are doing this with me because I got the package, I printed the pictures and stuff. I haven't tried doing anything as yet. So if this F word, God forbid, y'all are going to see it in real time on camera. If it turns out well, y'all are gonna see it on camera in the moment. So yeah, let's do this. The stuff that I have to make my dress. Is I have some pictures on glossy papers. They're on this thick paper, this glossy paper. Can you guys see it? Yeah, so I actually took these pictures a long time ago. It was not to make this dress. I just took these pictures a long time ago and thought of the bright idea to just use them, because why the heck not? It's actually 60 pictures. It was 30 at first, but then when he printed them, I was like, I don't think that's enough to make the dress. So I actually got another set up to 30, so it's now 60 pictures. What I did, I went on PixArt, added it in a Polaroid template / frame, and then I saved them individually. Then I added them to like letter size page and went to printing place and got them printed on glossy paper. So yeah, I'm gonna cut them out, which would be the Polaroid pictures, the Polaroid pictures, and this is what I'm going to be using to make them into a dress. This is the binding ring that I'm going to use to attach the pictures together. I believe this size is the 1 mm. And I got another size 0.75 mm because during my research I saw that some people use 2 different sizes of the rings. So going forward, I'll see which one works best for me, or if I'm gonna use both. And the main tiny thing is this bad boy right here. Portable handheld manual bromide pliers, leather hole punch, silver metal eyelets, gold metal eyelets, silver metal washers, gold metal washers. This is what it is, y'all, if you're seeing clearly. But y'all will get a brighter idea once I start doing it. But I think I want to just cut out one picture first, then try doing it and see what's up. Okay guys, my apologies, technical difficulties. I did go off camera to do the first one because I thought that I was confused. I was, but yeah. So this is how it's gonna do. So the flat part, bear with me guys, I have nails on. I'm going to put it at the part of the pliers that has a little bump on it. Then I am going to kind of like put it, align it to where I want the hole to be. Then I'm going to put this part on top of it. Then I'm just going to align it with the pliers like so. I feel like it's because this area is not flat enough, but it will be fine for me once I finish showing you guys and go on my bed to do it or on the floor. But yeah, so it's like this, then I'm going to just clamp it and it will make up this part. But guys, it's kind of stiff now, like this is a clamp right? And there you go. The sad part about this is it's now 8:55 and I have 60 pictures to do this thing to. Oh my God. Help me, Jesus. Yeah, so yeah, y'all, finally finished the one. 59 left to go. Why? But yeah. Okay, so y'all, I did not know that in the first picture that I was showing you guys, I literally just freehand the pliers thingy, but I wasn't supposed to do it like that because I was showing y'all that this came in the package. I was wondering what it was. So this is supposed to make the 4 holes. Then I use the pliers thingy to make it easier for me, because in the video you would have seen me like we did a strain a little bit. Trust me, like it's so hard to just freehandedly, because when you're doing it by your hand like that, you're basically punching a hole in the thick paper. So when the hole is made already by the right tools, it's easier. So yeah, making the holes. Also, I have my lovely neighbor Tasika here with me. Say hi.
Hi. Rafi, is that the camera from me?
No.
Alright. Right.
Okay, so yeah, this is me strolling through my community, having a mini mental breakdown. I can call it that, because during the process, I ran out of paper, plus some did I get discharged from fitting and stuff. So no, there's an internet cafe in my community, I just went there, got some more papers. In a way, it's not as clean as the ones that I got in town, but these are going to go at the back of the dress, so it should be okay. But oh, it's the skin for me and my wads for me, looking pretty big, like a nana big. But you guys, more nobody not look bad, you know. Let me see. Alright, messy people. So yeah, just giving you guys an update. Feel like cry, but me not gonna cry because I know say man and G in our streets. So yeah, that's my update. Yeah, go back home now to finish cut out some more. I think I need like 12, but me print enough because like but I scam, but I'm print like 24 more. Yeah, so I'm gonna just cut them out and do the do. Yeah, so like I was explaining to y'all, this is what we have. The length is fine. The one paper that I showed you guys, I believe it's in the previous clip before this. This is where it came from. It destroyed. And those are the new ones that I just got. And like I said, guys, it's not the same quality as these as I print in tone, but it's just gonna have to work because like I said, I'm going to put them to the end, so it's going to be wrapped around to the back, to my back rather, so it won't show in the picture anyway. So yeah, this is what we're working with so far, y'all. I did try it on, I didn't try it on camera, but yeah, this is what we have right now. Wish me luck. And when I say wish me luck, I'm not trying to be extra, it's just that I have my nails on and these thingy here, they're super hard to open, and the person that was here helping me, my boo, is gone to run some errands, so it is just I, so hopefully everything works out. But yeah,